I'm in Uzbekistan and the food is yummy, yummy, yummy. So let's go and explore beautiful Uzbekistan and what this beautiful country has to offer. The first thing you have to eat are the yummy, juicy, meaty lamb kebabs. They are so cheap and equally yummy. Would you believe the whole plate just cost me 20 dirham? Next in the tummy list is meaty shorba and beef dumpling. They are just delicious. Look at these beauties. Wow. I cannot have enough of these juicy kebabs. Yeah, they're so meaty, so soft, and just for 4 dirhams each, yeah, I can eat them all day literally. I cannot stop eating them. Next in the list is this yummy meat samosa. How can we not like samosa with the red chutney? Yeah, let's try it.